Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our unit 14, that is factorization. Now, first understand what factors mean. When an algebraic expression is written as product of two or more expressions, then each of these expression is called factor. For example, it is given 2x square y. Now this is an expression, algebraic expression, and I write it as product of 2 into x into x into y. Okay, so these 2x, x, y, what are these? These are factors of this algebraic expression. And what is the meaning of factorization? The process of finding two or more expression whose product is given expression, कि जिनका प्रोडक्ट हमारे गिवन एक्सप्रेशन के इक्वल हो, that is called factorization. So one by one, when we will start, you will be able to know. Like we are starting exercise 14.1, and where it is given, our first question is to find the common factors of the given terms. These terms are given and we have to find common factors as in natural number. Before starting it, I should tell you one more important thing, that as in natural number, you know, one is factor of every natural number. वन सबका ही फैक्टर होता है. So we need not to show, but wherever suppose दो टर्म्स में कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, then you should know, तब आपको पता होना चाहिए that you will not write 0, but you will write that 1 is the common factor. Okay, now let's start. Like first part I am telling 12x and the other is 36. So students, you know, 12 can be written as 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, prime factorization, or this is variable. Okay, 36. So when you will factorize 36, you will get 9 4s are, so 2 2s are 4, और 9 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 3s are 9. Now find the common factors. You will get 2. Okay, then this 2 into 2 into same way 3. So these are the common factors, or we can say 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is the common factor. Okay, now this was first part, so I have done in this way. Otherwise directly also you can find, like second is 2y and 22xy. So 2 and 22, what will be the common factor? 2, and x is not here, y is common between them, so 2y will be the common factor. Now in 14 pq and 28 p square q square, 14 is common, 14 2s are 28 होता है, p at least 1 is common between them, and q, so 14 pq will be the common factor. Now in fourth part you see 2x, 3x square and 4. 2x can be written as 2 into x, 3x square 3 into x into x, and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Now nothing is common in all three. So like x is common in these two but not here. So 2 is common in these two but not in second. So you will not, what will be the common factor? We know 1 is common factor of every expression, so write common factor as 1. Now see question, fifth part, 6. You know 2 into 3, 6 into A into B into C. Now 24. 24 is written as 6 4s are, so 4 को करो. इस तरह से आप orally कर सकते हो. 6 4s are 24. So 4 means 2 2s are 4, 6 2 3s are 6. So 6 4s are 24 into A into B square means B into B. 12. 4 3s are 12. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 into A into B. So common factor 2 is common in this. Now anything, 3 3 3. So 3 is also common in all, and then A is common and B is also common. So multiply 2 3s are 6, A, B will be the common factor. Now 16, 4 4s are, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and x 3 times. These are the factors of 16x cube. Now 2 minus sign is, take it here, then minus 2 2s are 4, x into x, and 32, 16 2s are 32, and 16 here we have written, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 into x. Now see what is common. 1 2, at least 2 2 are common in all, and 1 x also you can take, so 2 2s are 4, x is common. Now 10, 2 5s are 10 pq, then 20, 20 means 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, q into r. Then 30, 30 can be written as 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 into r into p. Now 2 is common, 5 is also common, so 2 5s are 10 is common in all these. Now 8th part, 3 terms are given, so 3 into x, then y into y, 10, 2 5s are 10, x cube means 3 times, and y square means y into y. 6, 2 3s are 6, x into x, and y into y, z. Now what is common in all? Not 2, 3 is also not there. X, 2 times x we can take, okay, and what else? Y also 2 times. So in all, x square y square is common factor. Now factorize. Question second is factorize. I have already told you factorization means process of finding two or more expression whose product is, कोई ऐसे expression जिनका product that is equal to the given expression. Now take common. We have done 7 42, दोनों 7 के टेबल में आते हैं, 7 is common. Okay, now we have taken 7 outside. यहाँ 7x से क्या बचा? 7x only. 42, 7 is outside, 7 6 are 42, so this will be the answer. इनका प्रोडक्ट करें, ये दो, this is expression, और इनका प्रोडक्ट करें तो that is equal to given algebraic expression. Now here 6 12, common is 6, so from here p is left, 6 2s are 12, यहाँ से 12 में से 6 common है, 6 2s are 12 q. So this will be the your answer. Now same way 7 as well as a, at least one a is common. From this 7a हमने ले लिया, 7 into a, तो a के बचा, प्लस 14a में से a बाहर है, 7 भी कॉमन ले लिया हमने, तो 7 2s are 14. मल्टीप्लाई करके आप देखिए 7 a square, when you will multiply by this 7 2s are 14 a. तो हमने प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू एक्सप्रेशंस फाइंड किया. नाउ 16 और 20 4 के टेबल में आते हैं, so 4 is a common factor and z can be taken out. Okay, so you can write 4z. From here what is left? Minus 4 4s are 16 z. मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक करिए, 4 ले लिया, 5 सा 4 5 सा 20 और 1 z we have taken as common, so how many z will be left? 2. 2 plus 1 3. So this is your answer. Now see fifth part, 20 L square m and this. So in HCF is highest common factor 10 है दोनों में, L at least one time and m is also at least one time, so we can take common from here. 2 20, 10 to the 20 and 1 L is also left, and from here 10 3 is 30 A, so this will be your answer. Now coming to question number 7th part, 10. First from numerical value, see 10, 15 and 20. What is the common factor? 5. 5 2s are 10. A square, no variable is common. 5 3s are 15. B square. 5 4s are 20 or C square. So this is answer. Same way I have taken 9th part, x 2 times yz, x y 2 times then z, then x y z 2 times. So at least one x and one y and one z is common in between them, and what is left from first? Only x is left, from second term only y is left, and from third term z is left. So this way you will be doing all other parts. Thank you. Have a nice day.